Welcome to Jazz Time. Today we're going to be reviewing a Rolex Submariner 116613LN black two-tone. This watch is brand new, and we're going to go through some of the cool features, how you can get it, and some other cool things about the watch. So let's go ahead and start with the first thing you see here. You'll notice that it has this bezel that is black. This watch comes in two configurations, a blue and a black. The black one is as you see here, and what's special about this is that the bezel is made of ceramic. Now the old style ones look like this to your left, and these ones are made of aluminum. These ones were produced all the way up until 2007. The problem with these ones on your left are that they scratch, they fade. The one on your right, which is made of ceramic, doesn't fade or doesn't scratch. So you could wear this thing pretty much forever, and it's going to look the way that it does right now, the same way it looked like when you bought the watch. Another key distinction of the new style watch is that it has this bigger case size. It's what's called the super case. You see how the lugs are thick? Now if you look at some of our other videos on the Submariner two-tone, you'll notice that the links or the lugs are much smaller, and we do a comparison if you want to see that. For today, this is a review on this watch, so we're not doing a comparison. You'll also notice that here on the side profile of the watch, it's actually the same profile as before. And let's go ahead and look at the bezel. Now if you listen to the bezel, it turns very smoothly as a Rolex should, and it clicks very, very nicely all the way through on all of the positions. Now I've already done another video on setting the date, so I'm not going to do that here. You can, if you want to see that, you can of course click subscribe and check that out. Now this is a two-tone band, moving on, and it has brush polish on the outside and polish on the inside. And it also has this safety Oyster clasp. And the reason it's called safety is because once you click it over like such, then you can fold over the top of it, and then and that's the safety. So it's really not going anywhere. Now what makes the Submariner clasp special is that it has this glide lock. Now why do you need a glide lock? Well, sometimes your hand changes the wrist diameter depending on the temperature. So what you can do is pop it out like this, move it out, snap it back in, and you don't need a tool for that. And that is very special, because the older ones, you weren't able to do that. So I can put, let's say it's hot, or I have a wetsuit, or I need to let my friend borrow it, I could just change the glide lock in the back, slap it in, and there it goes. Okay, so I'm going to try this watch on for you guys. And that's the Rolex Submariner 116613 black ceramic 116613LN. If you like this video, click on the subscribe button. Check us out at jazztime.com. That's JAZTIME.com. We offer free shipping, 1-year warranty, and a low price guarantee. Check us out at jazztime.com.